Pagdating naman sa opensa, Pam Lastimosa leading the charge for the youngsters dito ng UST. So positive signs para dito sa Las Aldas Marinas. Nakakuha na sila ng magandang reception pero hindi pa rin consistent.
Yeah, again, it's a matter of consistency. We all know that Las Aldas Marinas can, play better than how they're performing now.
But our airing schedules, mga kaibigan, on Saturdays, like today, we are live 12:55 p.m. Bukas din po, live din po, 12:45 p.m. and Mondays to Thursdays at 1 p.m. as we begin our third set. A bullet serve from Alex Cabanos. Running attack, Cherry Rose Lunag is blocked by Laure, pero unang puntos makukuha ng Las Aldas Marinas. That is a positive sign para sa kanila. Giselle C. back in the game. Bago libero naman para dito sa kupunan ng UST, we have Hachero seeing her first action and an attack point once again coming from Carmela Lu. Ayan si Carmela Lu, the killer smile.
Carmela Tunay who scored 4 points out of set number 2. Pam Lastimosa earned 7 points for the second set and EJ Lauro with 5 points in the second set. Better scoring na rin para sa Las Aldas Marinas. Nung set number 2, Yumi with 3 points and Lunag with 2.
Well, PLDT Home Montero, the ultra-fast LTE for happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Here is Jessie De Leon. At sa likod niya, si Bengadora. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam kay Bengadora, ayan po, nasa likuran ni Jessie.
Siya yun. That's the face behind
The word.
Yes.
Combination play, 2-9. Nice dig that time from former libero Yumi Yonko. Delphine sends it long, however.
Well, she is asking for a touch and there
meron,
is.
nakuha nga
Yes,
niya.
may touch.
Sabi ni Mela, wala naman Sabi
Wala, magaling ka umarte. Wala naman
Oy, magaling umarte yan. TV personality na yan ngayon. So 2-all ang ating score. Lunag. Malakas na naman. Ito si Cherry Rose Lunag, talagang gigil na talaga eh. I mean, you can see it in her face. We are not used to losing.
Yeah.
But eto pala, kasi simula lang naman itong ating third set. So, an error the other way coming from Enaji Laure. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League, tied at 3. Dito po sa ating third set. Vaseline Delphine. Again, another service error for Las Aldas Marinas. You can see, that's the look of a 16-year-old who will one day become a very, very potent weapon para sa Las Aldas Marinas. Tunay. Bartolazo. C. Iyumi. Nice dig by Carmela Tunay, pero
net violation error called up against UST.
Cabanos. Gulat si Alex doon at lapit ka agad dito si Coach Kung Fu. Sinasabi talaga.
Okay.
Ano sabi ni...
In-explain na referee, meron daw pagdating pagbaba daw sa landing. Doon siya tumama.
Of course, Liberato Benito, our second referee. Dante Malazarte, our first referee. Cabanos, sending it to Francisco down the middle. Kabila ngayon, Yonko. Lastimosa. And again, finding the line. Pam Lastimosa. Okay, don't forget this ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Montero, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Interesting si Lastimosa at si Laure magkakampi rin dito sa UST.
Yeah.
In the PBA magkakampi rin yung
dad nila.
Hindi dad. Yung kapatid ni Pam, si Carlo, was recently traded to the team of Enaji's dad. So magkakampi na sila
may
sa Blackwater. May
connection talaga.
Magkakampi na sila sa Blackwater, si Eddie Laure at si Carlo Lastimosa. At magkakampi pa yung dalawa ngayon dito sa UST. Forever entwined. Francisco on the serve. Yonko, C, back to Iyumi. Cross court is good. Again, pinag-usapan natin at the top of the coverage. She will be asked for a lot of points.
So far, so good here for Lasal Dasmariñas in the third set. They're just down by 1. Your score is 5-6. Desiree Dadang for the serve.
At eto ngayon ang combination play para kay Lastimosa na hindi naman naitawid. So once again, UST's errors starting to become a problem. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Good serve from Desiree Dadang.
At lamang na po ang Lasal Dasmariñas. More young blood coming in para sa UST. Our first look now at Mildred Thea Dizon. Papalitan muna itong si EJ Laure. And here is Cabanos now. Going to Lastimosa on the drop ball.
Good adjustment from Pam Lastimosa.
At ngayon, Lastimosa trying to give them the lead going into the first technical timeout. Palobo na yung kanyang serve. Bartolaso, si Nunag. Nalusutan yung depensa, and this is a very, very positive sign para sa Lasal Dasmariñas for the first time in this match. Lamang po sila heading into a technical timeout, and we will have more action when we return right here on the Shakey's Feeling. We follow up with Mia Kalim.
Maraming salamat, Noel. Alam mo, tama ka. Ito nga Lasal Dasma is a 4-time NCRAA champion. Kaya naman during the huddle coming into this new set, sabi nila, guys, hindi na tayo bago dito. Di talaga tayo ganito maglaro. Kaya naman sabi ni Coach Raymond, alam nyo, mababago nyo lang yan kung magsisimula kayong magsalita inside the court because nobody is taking charge. And sabi nila, kung gusto mo daw mabago itong set na ito or gusto nyo makahabol dito sa larong ito, kailangan daw baguhin yung mood. So instead of frustrated at nakasimangot, kailangan daw magsimulang mag-smile. Balik sa inyo.
And it's working. It is working para dito sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Dalawa na po ang kanilang kalamangan kontra sa UST. And it's now the Tigresses na nakasimangot.
So a lot of difference kasi na pwedeng gawin yung panagsasalita sa loob and mas magaan ang feeling. Sabi nga ni Coach, ngumiti naman kayo.
Right. De Leon.
String of errors para sa Lady Tigresses.
And that has been the theme for UST sa laban na ito, Ivy. Yung mga errors nila have really been shooting them in the foot. Pero this time, they are down. 10-7 ang ating score. PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Another error for UST. 11-7 is now the biggest lead in the match for Lasal Dasma. And for the first time in this match, Kung Fu Reyes will call a timeout.
Wala tayong first ball eh. Wala tayong first ball. Yan, set naman yun. Buwan eh, set naman eh. Ang bata na ginagawa yung spider sa'yo. Kung magkakamali kayo, gawin nila lang ano, gawin nila lang malakas. Isa, sigurado mo lang eh. Ano yung tension eh, pasok nila yung bola, ayaw patayin yung bola. Kuya, anong gagawin mo? Yung balo mo, lakas mo sa winding yung balo mo eh. Emergency ha? Ayaw mo pala.
Ano daw? Mas mataas pa sa main building.
Ano mong mawawala dyan?
Yung mga ibang fans ka sa Twitter, hiningi, sana ma-high blood naman si Coach Kung Fu kasi nakakatuwa daw siya pag na-high blood.
So, animated kasi ito si Coach Kung Fu pag nagagalit eh. Pero yun yung sometimes sa mga di ba? I mean, they make such comments tulad nga, mataas pa sa main building yung pato. Na hindi mo alam siguro kung player ka, matatawa ka ba? O?
Ayun, mas mataas din sa main building yung palo ni Dizon. 12-7, Laure is quickly dispatched once again. So Dizon will have to relax first. Alam naman natin, mga rookies,
Of
pinapasok ko,
course,
excited
syempre.
to prove
Saka
themselves.
may konting halong kaba rin yan
Right.
eh. The pressure, of course.
De Leon, that's better. Patuloy pa rin ang mga high percentage attack dito ni Jesse. 12-8, Lasal Dasmariñas. Alex Cabanos. Keeping Vero Chao on the bench actually. Giselle C. Nunag. Nakaabang sa kanya si Laure. C. Delphine. Palobong atake. Will go out. now it's Giselle C's job to calm everybody down.
Yeah.
Umingiti na si Nunag. That's a good sign.
Well, they are up by 3. And again, syempre, itong sa UST, they should
Minimize the
sasabihin ko
errors.
sana minimize the errors. But then again, another service error naman kay Alex Cabanos.
So 13-9, Lasal Dasmariñas. The veteran Giselle C, PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Tunay, turned back there by Nunag. Yonko, C, Galicia. Achero keeping it alive. EJ, single block coming from Mara Galicia.
It's nice to see itong Lasal Dasmariñas with they're playing now with more energy. Tapos nandun nakikita mo na yung mga ngiti sa kanilang mga mukha eh.
Sa lahat ng lugar, iisip siguro ni EJ, sa lahat ng lugar na pwede ko ilagay yung bola.
Doon ko pa dinala.
Doon ko pa dinala.
Single block lang naman.
14-9. Cabanos on her knees, sending it to Tunay off the block. And a violation against who? Galicia. That violation. And looks like Jessie De Leon.
Stepped on.
Oo, na-injure.
Oh. Padyak mo lang yan, Jessie. Sige.
Sobrang gaan ni Jessie De Leon. Hindi naman yata problema ang mga sprains.
Oh.
But she is hurt. And now she has to serve.
But
Okay
she was
naman
saying
daw.
okay naman daw siya eh.
So Jessie had a brief stint with the Philippine Army also sa Open. C. Nunag. Jessie keeping it alive. Mela sending it to EJ. Giselle. Iumi going to Delphine and Basilin gets that off the block. 15-10 Lasal Dasmariñas. How about this?
So now we ask what's happening to UST.
Yun. Well, yung errors nga.
Yeah,
alam mo,
the errors really did, help Lasal Dasmariñas. At least their game improved, obviously, from the first, compared to first and second set. Plus, nadagdagan pa ng contribution ng errors ng UST.
Francisco with the left hand. Yonko. Mara Galicia with the drop shot. What a run for Lasal Dasmariñas. 6 po ang kanilang abante kontra dito sa UST. Ang katanungan dito, high blood na ba si Coach Kung Fu? Pakinggan natin itong UST huddle.
Wala na naman yung obvious yung gusto natin eh. Akala nyo, susubo lang sa atin yung punto. Ngayon, short bola nang ginagawa mo, binibitawan mo agad. Bakit di mo pwede puntahan ng bola? Pwede mo paluin yan sa'yo. Ganda pa kaya naging short ball kasi lumalagpas ka sa tatlong blocker eh. Tapos ngayon magulong eh, babalik mo doon. Samantalang nakalagpas ka na sa block, papaluin mo na lang yan dyan. Paano intention mo? Ayaw mo na sumugal eh. Paano approach pa lang, mali na agad. Mag-iisip pa lang, mali na. Tapos na ba? Nananalo ko ng 2 set.
Ayan na, high blood na nga. Si Coach Kung Fu. Well, Lasal Dasmariñas up by 6, and here is our ultra fun family of the game, the Coria family, with Romel, Emma, Julian, and Jared, all taking in the action dito po sa San Juan Arena. As are you sa inyong pagtutok dito sa GMA News TV and of course around the world sa live streaming sa ating website, v-league.ph. And here is Nunag with a service ace off of Pati Rasmo.
Good
Ganda ng
performance.
ngiti na.
Oo.
Kanina, like,
Walang ngiti. Wala kang nakikitang ngipin nga doon sa mga yan eh.
17 and Lasal Dasmariñas now starting to play like the NCRAA champions that they are. Another serve, but this time it goes wide. So 17-11. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. EJ Laure played well through the first 2 sets. Madadagdagan pa niya yung kanyang brilliance in this game.
Si Coach Kung Fu tumabi na doon kay EJ nung nagsiserve.
Para Galicia, nagulat na hindi niya natamaan yung bola.
Coach Kung Fu nagbabantay na.
Nandun na sa koral si Coach Kung Fu.
making sure that no service error will be committed dito para sa UST.
Pressure yan. Oh, na-error pa rin. Kamot na ng ulo
Kamot.
si Coach Kungpo. Kakabahan ka lalo niyan.
Oo.
Tinabihan ka ng coach mo habang nagsaserve ka. Vaseline Delfin. Up by 6, Lasal Das Marinas. Sabi ng Lasal Das Marinas, if TIP can do it to us, we can do it to UST. But Delfin gives it away. 18-13. Carmela Lu. PLDT Home Altera, the ultra fast LT for a happy family with skis over 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Here's Iumi. Pati Rasmo. Pam Lastimosa. EJ Laure. Iumi Yonko. Giselle C. Desiree Dadang. 19-13. Grabe yung ngiti nito mga taga-Lasal Das Marinas bigla, no?
But again, you know, that kind of feeling, yung mga ganyan ngiti, it can do a lot with the
Right.
with your game eh.
It is a game. You're here to play. So have fun.
Net violation
Shishi.
error.
Shishi.
Oo.
May labas nila ni Shishi doon. Dadang called for that. The lead is 5. Still, kaya pa rin ito ng UST. They played the way they played in the first, or at least in the second set.
Yeah.
Mas maganda laro nila in the second set. More attack points, less errors. Francisco with a service ace.
Good floater from Francisco.
So Christine Francisco, the newbie, getting extended time dito sa ating third set. 4 ang abante ng Lasal Das Marinas. Delfin, Galicia, Yonko, and that is off the block. Sa lakas ng palo ni Iumi, pag dumaan sa block yan,
Lalabas talaga yan.
Oo. 20, 15, 5 puntos na lang po kailangan ng Lasal Das Marinas to send us to 4th set. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Dadang, Rasmo, Cabanos, Lastimosa.
Perfect set there for Pam Lastimosa.
2016, baba ulit sa 4, and that's an ultra-fast spike from Lastimosa brought to us by PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Giselle C. ahabulin. Yonko nakahiga na halos. Jesse wala sa pwesto, masyado mababa. They go to Nunag, and Nunag goes over Tunay. 21-16, gising na at masayang masaya si Cherry Rose Nunag. Captain Yonko to serve. Cabanos, Laure, kept alive by Delfin. Nunag sending it back to Delfin. Rasmo is there. Cabanos, back set ngayon for Tunay. Galicia, binuhay. C, free ball coming up from Yonko. Jesse, and that's off the block. Yan. So, 4 ang abate ng Lasal Das Marinas. At yan ang force field na ginayo dito ng
Yeah.
Lasal Das Marinas na 4 points.
Alex Cabanos now getting ready to serve for UST.
Okay, Mark Zambrano sighting na naman tayo. Ano ba yan?
Papadala si Mark dito ah.
Oo nga. C, Nunag, Rasmo, free ball coming up from Cabanos. C, quick set, Nunag, power tip. Tunay, EJ, long rally. Giselle C, going back to Delfin into the net. Ayan na, nabasag na yung 4-point barrier. And that will be a timeout called by Raymond Ramirez para sa Lasal Das Marinas.
Vaseline, pag sa tumaas ang bola, papaluin mo ha. Pababa na, magawa mo ng paraan. Diba? Okay, basta maganda rin susuna ulit.
nakangiti pa rin sila. Pero for how long?
And yeah, you have to remember na UST is inching closer. And kailangan hindi mag-relax or hindi magpapaya itong Lasal Dasmariñas.
EJ Laure, game face on. Habang nasa harapan siya, she wants to finish his full front line para sa UST. With De Leon, Laure, and Tunay up front. Cabanos to serve. C. Yonko. Cabanos sending it to Tunay.
Uy, buhay pang bola.
Oy, na-double. Ahabulin pa sana ni Bartolaso yun. Nawala sa bilang si Delphine.
Yeah, probably she thought na wala nang kukuha ng
Right.
third touch.
Bartolaso was in the area. 2-point lead na lamang para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Alex Cabanos, the former UAAP Juniors MVP, with a service ace. (21-20). Trying to tie it up. Alex Cabanos. Another ace.
Excellent service by Alex Cabanos. And now we're tied 21 all.
Going for the lead. Palit ng libero. Babalik ulit si Celia Amutan. And Amutan has been sitting on the bench for a long time. 3 in a row. Hindi pa. EJ. Nagabayumi. Si Luna. Yes!
Off the hands of PJ Laure.
1-point lead for Lasal Dasmariñas. 3 points away from sending us to a fourth set. Quiet na ang banda ng UST. Giselle C with a monster serve. Laure. Oh ho ho!
Excellent placement shot by EJ Laure. Hindi naman kalakasan, tamang pwesto lang.
Right. Jessie De Leon trying to give the lead back to UST.
Good serve.
Very good serve. Lunag, free ball from Yonko. De Leon. Cabanos. Tunay. And nobody behind Jessie. Walang libero on the floor for UST. And now Rasmo will come back. Dalawang puntos na lang ang kailangan ni Cherry Rose Lunag and Lasal Dasmariñas. And Maribeth Lara will not be allowed to come in. Maling numero ang hawak niya. Hawak niya sarili niyang numero. Ganon ang sub sa volleyball.
Yeah.
Now she has the correct number, but now Nunag has to serve. And sasabihan ng delay of game ito. Mabait daw si Dante Malasarte.
Verbal lang.
yet.
Yeah,
Verbal
no
lang. Nunag. Cabanos. Tunay. Through the block.
And now we're tied 23 all. UST 2 points shy from winning this match.
And now Lara will sub in. That means Amutan. Sino papalitan ni Amutan sa likod? Walang libero ang Lasal.
And I guess the coach realizes na medyo off yung dalawang libero niya today.
Right. Rhea Meneses back in para kay Christine Francisco. So Meneses wants to finish this now para sa UST. 2 puntos na lang kailangan on the Laure serve which goes wide.
Coach Kung Fu not very happy. Di man lang lumigon kay EJ Laure.
Set point now for Lasal Dasmariñas. And the 16-year-old Vaseline Delphine serving for the set. Nanigurado si Delphine. Rasmo, Cabanos, Tunay. Dug up there by Delphine. Yonko, off the block. Good cover there by Cabanos. Lastimosa, free ball. C. Galicia. Dadang, Tunay, Cabanos, at pinagsak ni Desiree Dadang. Lasal Dasmariñas steals the third set.
Good comeback here from Lasal Dasmariñas.
At yung ngiti ng mga batang ito tells it all as we take a look at our shaky play. The veteran 22-year-old out of the National University seals the deal para sa Lasal Dasmariñas as we move into set number 4. We'll be right back.